Hi everyone, I'm Lexi, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do the vertical figure eight. So for this trick, you are going to start out by facing forward and putting your arms straight out in front of you, in between the points. And all you're going to do is give yourself some momentum going back and forth, and you're going to flip it up and over to the right side of your hand. Then from that movement, you are going to flip it up and over to the left side of your hand, like that. I can show you from this way. Up and over to the right side of your hand, up and over to the left side of your hand. And then you're just going to speed it up, and that's going to look like this. If this tutorial helped you, please like and subscribe for more, and I will see you next time.